If children have been working in to-dos, you can find their work in the to-dos area. If it's an active to-do, you can scroll down your list of active to-dos and click on See Work to view the work for a particular to-do. You can click on a child to view their work and click on Mark to preview the work. On the right-hand side here, you can mark the work, including making a judgment against a curriculum objective. If the work was done in the past, you can click on the Past tab. You can scroll down and click on See Work in the same way, and view and preview and mark the work in the same way. The To-Do tabs can be filtered by year group, class, schedule, or date. If you've used tags when setting to-dos, you can search the to-dos either by keyword or by tag. I tagged all the to-dos for Unit 4.5 with the tag 4.5, so searching for this tag will help me evidence the work for this unit easily. In the to-dos area, you view the work by task. If you want to see all the work a pupil has done within to-dos, you can do that by going to the Work area. Here on the left-hand side, you can expand class. You'll see the classes you're assigned to. To view a particular class, you can expand that class, and because you're a member of staff, you'll see the Pupils folder. When you expand this, you'll see the list of pupils in that class. If you want to see the to-do work for a particular pupil, expand that Pupils folder, and click on To-Do Work. This folder pulls through from the to-dos area each file that child has completed through a to-do. It'll also pull through any comments you've added and any assessments you made. You can also search this folder for tags, such as 4.5. If you delete work from in here, it will delete from the to-do. And if you delete the to-do, it will delete the work from in here. If you've made assessments in here, you'll be able to view them in the data area. In the data dashboard, you can expand judgements, and then the subject, year group, and category. You can choose to look at data for a particular class and within a particular date range. Any judgments you've made will appear in here. On the left-hand side, you can click on a particular objective. The objective will show across the top and the data beneath. To the left of the judgments, you'll see a link titled See Files. When you click on this, you'll see the evidence. It brings up the files that you made that judgment against for that particular child. So you can view work by task in the to-dos area, or you can view work by child in the work area, or you can track back from your judgments in the data area.